What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get power-ups Royal Kingdom. So if you're looking for a way to get power-ups whenever you're playing inside Royal Kingdom here, well there are a few things that we need to understand. Now the thing with power-ups, they are going to be generated whenever you combine a specific number of specific number of same pieces here. Like for example, we have this for three pieces blue tower here. So if you combine them in a square format, you get that spinning power up. Now if you combine like four of the same kind in one line, you also are able to get specific number of power up for them. So let's go and just wait or look or create one if we can. So we have this one. So let's go and create a four. So you have that drill as you can see right now. So depending on how it is positioned, the drill itself might look different. But the more you combine, like for example, if you combine an L shape or a T shape here, usually that will come out as either a bomb or a prism that you could use to basically break certain kinds of pieces here. But yeah, so that's how you, as you can see, right, that's the bomb. So the T shape here. So yeah, so you can go and just move it around if you want to use it. So that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.